Managers like you are often lifelines in times of disruption and change. Microsoft Viva Insights gives you much-needed visibility into work patterns that can lead to burnout and stress, such as regular after-hours work, meeting overload, or too little focus time, so that you can help your team strike a balance between productivity and well-being. Here you can see that over half your team consistently works after hours. That number is high, especially within the context of similar teams across the organization. Viva Insights makes it easy for you to understand current team norms so that you can set goals for positive change. Supporting research and data-driven best practices help you address challenges head-on. And you can easily launch flexible programs designed to help your team collaborate more effectively, preserve time for uninterrupted work, and disconnect at the end of the day. Your team receives recommendations and best practices to help them prioritize well-being and boost productivity, and you can track and measure progress against team goals over time. With Viva Insights, you can help your team work smarter and achieve balance.